ChatGPT is taking a long time to create images or isn't generating any images at all. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem. First, if you see the image generation loading for a long time without any response, the first thing you should do is update the ChatGPT app. Open the Google Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and if an update button is available, tap it. Running the latest version can fix bugs and improve image generation. Next, make sure your phone is up to date. Go to Settings, search for System Update or Software Update, and check if a new update is available. If there is one, download and install it, then restart your phone. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data can cause image generation to fail or take much longer than usual. If the issue still isn't fixed, try force closing the ChatGPT app and opening it again. You can also clear the app's cache from your phone settings without deleting your chats. Finally, if the servers are busy, you may simply need to wait a few minutes and try again later. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.